And one of the most important tools that you're gonna need is you gotta pick up one of these What's Cooking Mama apron at what'scookingmama.net. Oh my God. There is Mama mowing the lawn. Look at that. Mama.
Che cosa vuoi?
Do you have to do that right now?
Se non lo faccio adesso, dopo non posso fare niente.
My mama says if she doesn't do that right now, she's never going to get to everything on her list today. Mama, please, can you give us 30 minutes?
Per $5, sì.
Mama says that she'll stop if I give her $5. Oh, here's Mama with her spoon. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Thank you. What is this? Didn't I give you $5?
Inflazione.
Mama says inflation. I got to give her another $5.